Joseph. Hi, Joseph. Are you ready to show everybody your yoga exercises? Are you? Can you do it? Come on, show us. Okay, come on. I know you can. Let's see them. Oh, you're not going to show off now? You're not going to show off now? Come on. Come on. Hi. Hi, honey. Oh, there he goes. Hi. Say hello. Look at me. I'm such a big boy. Yeah. I'm such a big boy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy. I'm playing with Grandmom. We're having so much fun. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. But yeah, I guess they missed the yoga with both feet in our mouth. Yeah, I guess they missed that. Whoa. Whoa, so big. Look at you. See you guys.